Frequency tables. A class sits a mathematics test. Their marks out of 10 are as follows: 7, 8, 9, 7, 9, 10, 8, 8, 6, 9, 7, 5, 9, 6, 4, 8, 6, 9, 7, 8, 9, 7, 9, 10, 9, 7, 5, 9, 8, 8. Part 1. Sort the data into a frequency table. Include a tally column in your table. So we want to start off by having a look and seeing what's the lowest number in our list, and 4 is the lowest number. So we're going to draw out a table, and we're going to have mark on the left hand side, and 4 is going to be the first number. And then we have a look and we see what's the highest number in our list, and it's 10. So we're going to have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 in our mark row. Our next row is going to be our tally, and our last row is going to be our frequency. So we're going to start off with 4, and we're going to see how many 4s we have in our list. So I can only see the 1 4 there. So I put one little dash in my tally column and 1 in my frequency column. Next I'm going to have a look at the 5s. So I go along my list until I see 5. There's a 5, there's 1. So I put one little dash. And then I see another 5 down here. So I put another little dash. So that's 2 altogether, and I put 2 in my frequency table. It's very important that you cross off your values as you use them, so that you don't repeat a value or you don't miss one out. Very, very important to do this. Okay, so next I have 6, mark of 6. So I go along my list. Do I have any 6s? There's the first 6 there, so that's a 1. Then I see another 6 there, so that's 2. There's another 6 there, so that's 3. And that's all. So I have 3 dashes in my tally chart, and I have the number 3 in my frequency. Next I move on to 7. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7s altogether. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 dashes with a line going through it. That represents 5. And another one represents 6. So I've got 6 in my frequency table. Then I move on to 8. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 4 dashes with a line going through it, which represents 5, and 2 more makes 7. Then I move on to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 4 dashes with a line going through it, represents 5, and then 6, 7, 8, 9. So I've got 9 in my frequency table. And then 10, I've got 1, 2. So 2 dashes and the number 2. So this is my frequency table. So part 2 says how many students sat the test. So we just have to add up our frequencies. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 7 plus 9 plus 2 gives us 30 students. So 30 students sat the test. What percentage of students scored 9 or 10 marks? So if we have a look at the mark row, and we see that 9 students scored 9 and 2 students scored 10 in the test. So 9 plus 2 makes 11. So 11 students scored 9 or 10 marks. And to make a percentage, we're going to put it over the total, which is 30, because there are 30 students altogether. So it's going to be 11 divided by 30 multiplied by 100, or else by 100 over 1 to get a percentage. And that gives us 36 2/3%. So 36 2/3% of students scored 9 or 10 marks. So remember, to get a percentage, we put our amount over the total and multiply by 100, because percent means out of 100.